In a fog-bound harbor town, a retired cartographer discovers a submerged bell tower whose chimes steer ships home. He follows the echoes through creaking stairs, tracing maps etched with waves and constellations forgotten by landfolk. The tower reveals a window to a silent sea above, where ancient mariners whisper coordinates that rewrite old routes. He uses the clues to chart a safe passage for stranded fishermen, earning a quiet respect from a wary, weathered community. When the bells finally stop, the town knows the mapkeeper will always hear the sea calling him back.